Hello, in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make this mini marigold plant in a small size of pot. I'm using this olive color of yarn and a 3.5mm crochet hook. Start by making a magic ring. Chain, and then add 10 single crochet inside the ring. Once you've made 10 single crochet in each spiral, including the tail, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then repeat for 8 rounds. And this is what it looked like after the 8 rounds of 10 single crochet. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then chain of 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then slip stitch second chain from the hook at the back of the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then slip stitch in the next 3 chains. Okay, in the next here, 1, 2, and 3. Then repeat chain of 7, then slip stitch of 6, and then slip stitch of 3. Repeat for 3 in total. And once you have 3 in total, slip stitch in the next 6 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then chain of 4, and then slip stitch second chain from the hook. 1, 2, and 3. Then slip stitch in the next 2. Then chain of 3, then slip stitch second chain from the hook. 1, 2, then slip stitch in the next 2, then chain of 2, then slip stitch second chain 1, and then at the top right here slip stitch, and then chain of 3. Slip stitch in the next chain on the other side, then chain of 2, slip stitch second chain from the hook, and then slip stitch in the next 2. Then chain of 3, slip stitch second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, then slip stitch in the next 2, then chain of 4, slip stitch second chain from the hook, 1, 2 and 3, then slip stitch in the next 6 chains. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then repeat a chain of 4. Then once done with the 3 leaf, slip stitch of 2, Make a chain and cut the yarn. Now for making the flower, cut a wire of a 9 centimeter long, and then I'm using this type of color of yarn and a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. Make a slip knot and a chain of 32. Once you have 32, double crochet third chain from the hook at the back of the chain, and double crochet in the following, a total of 30 double crochet stitches. Now we have 32, and then chain of 2 and double crochet in the first stitch right here with the tail, and repeat a double crochet in the following for a total of 30 double crochet stitches. After the 2 rows, make a chain and leave a long tail. Now this is the color of yarn I'm using and the exact size of 3.5. Now insert your hook in the first stitch right here. Then insert the color of yarn, chain of 2. And then hold this end tail here. Yarn over, insert in the same chain. Yarn over, pull through a 2. And you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. You have 3. Yarn over, pull through another 2, and you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through another 2, then you will have 5 loops on your hook. Pull through 5 loops, chain of 2, and slip stitch under on that same stitch or the same chain. Slip stitch, chain of 2, yarn over, insert in the next chain, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through another 2, you have 3, pull through 2, you have 4, pull through another 2 loops, you have 5, and then pull through 5 loops, chain of 2, then slip stitch under, and repeat a chain of 2, and then in the next chain pull through 2, and repeat this until to the last chain of this row. chain of 2, insert, pull through 2, pull through 2, you have 3, 4 and 5 loops. Pull through 5, chain of 2, slip stitch under, make a chain and cut the yarn. And then now we can roll these stitches here, and the first one should be at the center.